vibrant, candy-colored universe, on the bustling planet of Glooper 7, there lived an alien named Zork. Zork had 4 arms that could build or break anything, a lovable demeanor, and an insatiable curiosity for adventures. On this peculiar planet where slime races reigned supreme and buildings wobbled like bubblegum, Zork spent his days rummaging through junkyards alongside his best pals. There was Bleep, a jittery alien who couldn't speak but communicated in beeps and whistles that somehow everyone understood. Then there was Gronk, a huge grump of an alien who loved knitting and could digest just about anything. Lastly, V, the brainy member of the group with glowing antennas and telepathic powers, who always feigned annoyance but secretly cherished the gang's chaotic escapades. One bright, wobbly day, while exploring an old scrapyard, Zork's curiosity literally lit up the beginning of their most extraordinary adventure. Beneath a heap of old space junk, he found a peculiar, glowing orb that sprang to life, spinning and humming with energy, and suddenly announced, initiating universe reset in 10 cycles. While the gang initially thought they'd found the ultimate gadget to fix Zork's clumsy mishaps, it turned out to be the ancient reality shaper, an artifact capable of reshaping the entire universe. Unless they found a way to shut it down, everything they knew would be erased. Their panic quickly escalated when Captain Zorvax, a fearsome bounty hunter with mechanical tentacles, ambushed them to claim the orb. However, thanks to the SS Wobble, Zork and his mates barely managed to escape. Thus began their galaxy-wide chase, venturing to the quirkiest of planets in search of a solution. Their first stop was planet Jiglobe, where Gronk got trapped in a giant wobbly pudding while Bleep's antics set off a jellyquake. Next, they navigated the bewildering chaos of the space bazaar. Here, Zork traded his trusty wrench for a mysterious star map that mischievously shifted directions with every tip and turn. And if that wasn't enough fun, they were soon ambushed by a band of shadowy nebula ninjas on Zorvax's payroll. The ninjas chased them through a dizzying asteroid field, resulting in the wildest zero-gravity escapade. As they unraveled the artifact's secrets, it dawned on them that Zorvax was plotting more than just a reset. He intended to recreate the universe with himself as its ruler, creatures of every shape and sparkle bowing to his will. To thwart Zorvax's evil dreams, they needed to reach the celestial core hidden in a forbidden nebula, the heart of the machine powering the reality shaper. The climax unfolded in this celestial core, leading to a mind-boggling showdown. These telepathies scrambled Zorvax's cunning plans, while Gronk munched down the villain's ship controls, and Zork wrestled with the orb's mysterious mechanics. Meanwhile, Bleep engaged the enemy minions in a whimsical dance-off that only added to the mayhem. In the nick of time, Zork realized the orb responded to teamwork and fun-filled energy. By pooling their unique talents, they managed to deactivate it, restoring balance to the galaxy just in time. Triumphant and with the galaxy safe, they returned to Glooper 7 as heroes. Although Zork was offered a position as the galaxy's top tinkerer, he turned it down, opting instead for more adventures with his mates. As they set off once more aboard the SS Wobble on a new quest, Gronk grumbled about the perilous lifestyle yet couldn't hide his smile as he knitted Heroes of the Galaxy sweaters for everyone. A new adventure was on the horizon. Who knew what the next escapade would bring? Perhaps another cosmic misadventure awaited, a wild ride to save a giant star-devouring alien pet, no less. But that, as they say, is another story just waiting to be unraveled.